let's talk extended work offsets. What are they? How should you use them in your program? And what exactly does each variable mean? You're about to find out. Get ready to learn all about measuring, accessing, manipulating, and adding extended work offsets to your program. Let's do this.
Welcome to Know Your Doosan. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how extended work offsets function. We'll go over how to use them in your program and what each variable means. First, let's talk about our normal work offsets. These are called out as G54 through G59. The control is equipped with 6 standard offsets to use. However, let's say you need more than 6. What can you do? This is where your extended work offsets, also known as G54.1, come into play. Your Doosan horizontal machining centers and vertical machining centers come standard with 48 extra or extended work offsets. These values are described as p-values following a G54.1. Second, how do you apply this useful function? One way is by using a spindle probe and the Ringui software to set your work offsets. So let's start out by pressing the Custom 1 hard key, then the Ringui soft key, the probe soft key, and finally the edge soft key. Press the advanced soft key and it opens up additional boxes that are optional to fill out. Those are search distance, work offset shift X, extended G54.1P. The main one we care about here is the G54.1 P box. So let's say we wanted to use G54.1 P12. Let's enter a 12 in this box. Next, position the probe according to which Ringui cycle you are using. In our case, we're going to use the edge feature. Hit the select soft key and choose the X edge. And 54 will be our value for work offset G. 500 thousandths will be the search distance. We are not going to shift our measured amount, so that will be 0, and the p-value will be 12. Follow the prompts on the screen to move the stylus ball within 400 thousandths of an inch of the edge and press the cycle start button. The probe will measure and write the X offset into the G54.1 P12 register. You can repeat these steps for the Y-axis and your work offset will be complete. So now that we've written our measurement to our P offset registry, let's access that registry so we can see where it's located and we can modify any numbers if needed. I want you to press the offset hard key, then press the work soft key. Now press the page down hard key until you reach the G54.1 P offsets. They start immediately after G59 in the registry. Here, you can access the work offset that we wrote the numbers to. A cool feature of your Doosan control is that you can subtract or add to the offset values easily. Let's say you want to adjust the X offset by 5 thousandths of an inch to the positive. Highlight the X axis, type in 0.005, then press the plus input soft key. The machine will then prompt you with a red flashing question if your value is correct. If that is the desired value, press the execute soft key and the number will adjust by 5 thousandths of an inch. The last thing we want to talk about is how to use the extended work offset in our program. It works very similar to how we call a normal work offset. Your line of code will just simply read G54.1 P12. It's just that simple. So if the normal line of code reads like this, and you want to rewrite that with an extended work offset, it would look like this. That's it. Now you know everything there is to know about extended work offsets. You know how to measure them, you know how to access them, manipulate them, and how to add them to your program. Now all you have to do is use them. If there's a topic that you would like to see in a future video, please leave a comment below and keep machining with Doosan.